All right, I'm here with Jenny today because she has turned packing your lunch into an art form.
She prioritizes nutrition and saving time while making these Instagram-worthy meals in adorable containers.
I get a lot of input from my daughter and my husband. I like to really focus on preparing the protein in advance. So I'm going to show you today a chicken recipe that my daughter really likes. And we just use it throughout the week. It stays great in the fridge for a couple of days.
Right.
And we just keep it really simple, but really delicious.
So instead of spending her whole Sunday doing meal prep, like Jenny said, she spends about 5 minutes prepping a few boneless chicken breasts.
Because we're using this in salads, in wraps. Sometimes I'll just make a protein box for my daughter or my husband. They'll just eat it kind of like grilled nuggets. I love using the shears because we're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. So literally just like this.
Don't have to worry about
Couple of inches. No, and look how fast it goes. So I'm seasoning this with some, it's called sazon completa. This is just some onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, a little bit of cilantro, really good flavor. And I absolutely love to use some paprika for color and then a nice little smoky flavor in there. And then for the marinade, I really like Greek dressing. The Greek dressing gives it a really nice flavor and it just helps to bring all of this together. And then I give it a quick mix.
Then pop it in the fridge. To bring the lunchbox together each morning, a portion of the marinating chicken goes into the air fryer, or a frying pan, or the oven works too. And then take your pick.
For the first lunch, my daughter asked me for salad at least like once a week.
That is
So, yeah. So, bag salad is gonna be your best friend here.
Choose the family size with toppings to portion out between the boxes. This keeps everything fresh and looking really appetizing.
The dressing, I'm gonna put it in a little container for her that she can add later when she's ready to eat. And now we just add our chicken.
Check out how she slices the cheese on an angle to give this next lunch a little extra flair.
And the pita, we're gonna add some Havarti cheese. We're going to just add some chicken in here. So the first thing that's gonna go down is the pita, veggies that she can snack on.
Small containers of hummus or dip are great additions to the veggies. And some colorful grapes for a healthy sweet treat. For Jenny's third box lunch option made with the marinated chicken that only took 5 minutes to prep, she's going heavy on the protein.
Get some help from the deli. And I love this combination of the tzatziki with the chicken because it is, marinated in the Greek dressing.
Yeah.
And then adding a couple of chips in here, pita chips or bagel chips, just for like a nice snack, a nice crunch.
You can find the recipe for Jenny's marinated chicken and countless easy lunch ideas by following her on Instagram at LunchBoxMafia. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.